Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we installed the Nazava Water Filter ourselves. So today, we'll take a closer look at how to maintain its well-being and how to solve the problems, which hopefully won't arise. This information will help you calmly cope with your customers' potential problems and find the solution to them really quickly. Ready to dive into it? Great, let's go. The maintenance of the Nazava water filter includes two main blocks, cleaning and replacement. So how do we clean the water containers? Well, in order to do it, remove all parts of the Riam and wash the container using the detergent. Don't forget to rinse the container with water before putting it back into the filter. Try to clean containers every week so that there will be no stains on them. The replacement is no more difficult than cleaning. As you can remember, our filter candle can filter up to 7,000 liters, so you won't need to do it often. You should replace the filter candle when the diameter of ceramic is less than 5 centimeters. To be precise here, it's better to do it with a measurement tool. So, maintaining the filter in a good health seems like an easy thing to do. What about dealing with possible maintenance problems? The most common thing that may happen to a filter is that it may get blocked. When the flow is not enough, that's a sign that your filter may be blocked or clogged, in other words. In this case, fill the upper container until it's full and make sure that the hose is installed. If it's not working, scrub using a sponge and rinse with water. Don't use the detergent here, ever. If it doesn't help, try using a rougher sponge or even a brush, but not until the filter is white. If that's not working either, replace the filter candle. The other common thing that may come up is a broken tap. We are aware of this, so we are working on the quality of our taps. If this happens with your customer, arrange the replacement and we will do it on the next shipment. Another common problem is the change in the color of ceramic. It may become brown or even black. This is a natural process as the ceramic filters out iron and manganese that may stick to it. So, just clean the ceramic until the filtration speed is satisfying and don't worry about its whiteness. Another problem which may arise is that the water flows very fast and stays dirty. In this case, check the time in which the lower container gets full. If it's within 1 hour, replace the filter candle as it may be broken. Also, if the filter has some cracks or is broken, replace the filter candle as well. Well, today was a very productive day as we have learned how to take care of our water filter and how to solve the common problems which may arise. In the next video, we'll take a look at the frequently asked questions and learn how to respond to them. Until then, don't forget to check yourself in the quiz after the video. Good luck and see you soon.